What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here. Now in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is installing my brand new dashcam. Now first of all, I'd just like to shout out Viofo. So they actually reached out to me directly and they actually sent me out this dashcam. So thank you so much for that, guys. But yeah, in this video, what I'm going to be doing, as I said, is showing you the installation process. Also, I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like, the app and everything else. So I've already made a clip unboxing this, so I'm going to put it after this clip, but I'll just give you a quick overrun of this. So here it is. So as you can see, it is the Viofo A139 3-channel dashcam. It's a triple camera setup as well. So this one's the main one, which goes on the front here. This one is the rear one, and that's the interior camera. So as you can see here, is a quad HD setup, so that's for the main camera. I believe that is 2K in resolution terms. The other two are full HD, so the interior and rear camera, so that's 1080p. Also supports both Wi-Fi channel bands, so the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. And the interior camera is infrared as well, so that'll pick everything up at night. Now I do know with these cameras, it's actually got the Sony imaging sensors in them. So if you know anything about Sony and cameras, then you know it's a really good thing. Yeah, can you just show you the box there? And then so what I'm going to do now is show you the unboxing clip, and then I'm going to jump straight into the installation. Yes guys, so here's a quick unboxing of the dashcam that Viofo sent out to me. So as you can see here, it is the A139 3-channel. So all that means is you get the actual dashcam itself, and then you get, let me just see, yeah, so this one's a real one. So that goes on the outside of the car, or you can put it at the back window as well. And then you've got the one that sits in the interior, but I'm not gonna need this, so let's just unbox it. So a bit like your Apple and Samsung boxes, and then you're faced with the main dash cam itself. So we'll just take that out. Don't damage anything. And that's the main dash cam. So you've obviously got those buttons on there. With this one, if you have a crash, you can automatically just press it, and that will save everything and stop record. It will stop the looping, sorry, so it doesn't overwrite anything. Obviously the on button, power button, cord, just explain what that does, microphone and Wi-Fi as well. And then you've got this focuses. You've got that there as well, so it just tells you exactly what it's doing. And then here you can obviously stick it on, and then the camera that you can swivel around, so you can see there. Just turn it either way. So I'll put that to one side, and then you just lift this up here, and then lift this out, and then you're met with the content, the extra content. So just put that to one side. This is one of these second cameras. So this is the one that actually goes on the outside of the car, or as I said, at the back windscreen. And this one obviously swivels around as well. I can't do it with one hand, but yeah, it does swivel around, just like that one. So I'll put that to the side. And next, I'll bring out the interior camera. So this could be faced on the driver and the passengers as well. Stick it down. Self-explanatory once again. This one obviously swivels around again. Now back to the box. So you get this as well. So what this is, it's just a SD card reader. So like my laptop, it doesn't actually have the SD card reader port, so you can just plug this in. So this lid pops off here, and it's just a USB, and then you put your SD card at the top there, and you'll be able to extract the data from there. Got the cables here. That's just for transferring anything directly as well, so you can do it that way, the traditional way. Put that down. Now this actually goes to the rear camera. So let me show you. Is this the rear? Yeah, this is the rear one here. So as you can see here, you've got this gold piece. There, yeah, it's focused now. So you've got that gold piece there. So that will just screw into there. And then we get the big dash, the main dash as well. And then you've got the three gold ports there as well. So that goes directly into each camera. Got one for the interior one as well. This button is just basically a Bluetooth button, so you can stop and start stuff with it, like the recordings. Probably won't need that, I'll just always have it on anyway. And then the power cable, so this is a 12 volt, so this goes into a 12 volt socket and then straight into the main camera via there. Looks like, is it? Yeah, I think it is USB Type-C, so yeah, it's quite good to be honest. And then you get your Pro tool for installing it, which I'm going to do in the obviously next clip. And then you've got the hello card. Let me just open that for you guys. So it just gives you some information there. Right, thanks for choosing Viofo. Obviously you got their social media stuff there as well. Put that from one side. Got these as well. So you get two of them. And then the instructional manual as well. But yeah guys, so obviously this is the whole contents of the box. As you can see, I am on the floor, but yeah, obviously you just get to the car now and get this installed. So I've obviously planned everything out now. So what the plan is I'm gonna stick the dash cam right here. That focus. So stick it right there, just so it's not like in the way of me or anything. And then in terms of the wiring, I'm gonna have the power cable. So running, so it's gonna come down to the camera here, but I'm gonna have it running through the roof, through here, tuck the wire through this little black thing. Yeah, that you can lift up like that. Tuck it behind, obviously open up the door, and then into the glove box. But obviously I've got the extender here, so I can just slot it in there. So that's for the main camera. Now in regards to the back camera, I'm gonna have the wires coming down here, under this panel here, through here, and then through the back seat, and then up. But I'll show you guys anyway what the situation is for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started with that first of all. as you would have seen, that's all been lined up now. So we've got that camera here. Did actually manage to break this piece here, but it's a minor. So yeah, so I've got that all hooked up, so power's in. So as I said, done it under here. It's come out through here, all the way down through here, and then into the glove box through the little hoop there, and then into my adapter. Obviously, if you don't have the adapter, you can just put it here, right under. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get the wire for the rear camera. So I'm gonna wire this up now. So my plan for this is to obviously go direct from the camera, straight up, through here, Instead of going down, what I'm gonna do is carry on through here, through this little gap here, up through the seat, and then straight to the back. But what I'll do is I'll show you once that's done. I don't think it'll pick it up on the time lapse because it's so dark. Yes guys, so as explained, what I've done is I've wired up the the rear camera. So I've put it through the roof up here, and then let me just try and get that. Obviously around the corner, through this line here, see that, and then up here, all the way through here, down here. See it sticking out a bit there, just a tiny bit, it's a minor. Behind the seat belt, up through the seat. So let me just get in. Yeah, so stuck it through here, up here, just see a tiny bit of it there, through this last piece here, and then out there, and then through up here, tucked it behind the light piece there. I've stuck the camera there, and ignore the bird shit there. And then the camera here, and that's just plugged in. So that's how you hook it up on a 4 Series. It'd be kind of similar with the 3, but it'd be easier because you could just go the whole length of the floor and then come up to the seat and then through. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is show you guys on my phone exactly how the dash cam looks as well, so the front and the rear. As I said, I haven't wired up the interior one, it's just, as I said, an invasion of privacy. Yeah, let's show you guys. Guys, so what you're going to need to do next is actually download their app. So you just go to your Google Play Store or the App Store if you're on iPhone. You then just type in Viofo and this app will come up, so this one here. So you just click on it. What you'll then need to do is press connect your camera. So you press that. My one's going to automatically connect because I've already hooked it up, but what you'll need to do is hold down the Wi-Fi button. Don't know if I can get this to focus, but there's the button here, so I would have showed it in the unboxing. It's a Wi-Fi button right there, so you just hold it down and the camera would literally say Wi-Fi enabled. You then just put the code in, which is 123456778, and then you'll be on the app itself and the camera will be there. So this is the app here. I'll just show you. So as you can see, you've got the front cam and then the rear cam in the top quarter. So I'll just show you. You can obviously press record from here. You can flip the camera. So if I press that just shows the front cam, and I can flick it and show the rear cam. As seen as well, you can also rotate and that will come up. Rotate it back. And as I said, you can just flick through the cameras and all sorts. And then let me just stop recording so you can hear that.
Recording, 2 channels started. Video protected.
Stop it there. So you can go back if you want, but what I'll do is I'll show you guys like the settings. Just ignore the beeping because when the camera is disconnected, that's what it's going to do. So as you can see here, video resolution, you can pick the resolution, time lapse, loop recording, so you can set how long that is. And there's also recording audio, so you can turn it on and off. And there's all these settings here like the exposure, wide dynamic range, G sensor, which I've changed to high sensitivity. And just got all these here, so you can change your Wi-Fi band, as I said, time zone that you're in, time synchronization. You can sync it with your phone, which will be perfect. Then there's just all this here. So when I was actually installing the rear camera, what I had to do is go into here and go to rear image, rotate, and then turn that on because it was actually showing upside down, but obviously the app can compensate for that and change it. You also have like your GPS on there as well, frequency, format your SIM card, reset the camera, change your password as well, which I'm going to do. And then just like the app firmware, that version and firmware version as well. And you can like obviously delete stuff from the memory card. But yeah, that's the app. And then let me just quickly show you. I'll just give you an example. So I'll quickly go outside. And as you can see me there. So that, there you go. Flip sides, yeah, there it is. See, if I can move now, see? So it literally records everything. And then let me go to the rear camera. Oh God, so cold out here. So as you can see here, just let that focus, and then I'll move to the side, again, and you can see me. Obviously my car's tinted, so you're not going to see anything at all, which is perfect. But yeah, so that's how it works. So guys, that's the install complete, me showing you guys everything as well. Now once again, I'd like to give a massive shout out to Viofo for actually sending me this out. This is such a good investment and I highly recommend getting it. As usual, what I'll do is I'll leave the link in the description to get the actual camera itself. If you are interested, you can always hit them up as well. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that video, please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you purchase the camera. And guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.